welcome back to a brand new video. And in today's video, we are building another ride in my Roblox dream. The thing is, which ride are we gonna build? Because there's this one I'm gonna build right here, but then I'm gonna have one going through these trees. Honestly, the one that would be less work would be this one right here. But this one over here is actually going to be really cool. I think I'm going to have to go with this one. In the next episode, we'll obviously build that one. But for now, I just want to build this. So, let's just go into roller coasters. And let's select the mine train. So, let's see, I'm thinking first we have to remove that tree, and then we're going to select it again, and I think at least right here, right? So right there, and then we're gonna have the station all the way out here, just like that. And then we're gonna start going up into the chain lift, just like that. And there, we're going up. I don't know how tall I want it to be. You know, at least this seems good. We're going down now, like that. And then, let's see. I don't know what we're gonna do next. I guess we can kinda turn a little like that. A little, I mean a lot. Holy wow. Alright. We're gonna have to at least do, maybe we'll just reset it, and then I really don't care about the intensity of this one. It's basically just supposed to go through all the landscaping and stuff like that. Nothing that special, I would say. But then we're going right straight down like that, and we're gonna start going back. Honestly, this is gonna be pretty weird, if you ask me. I don't really want banks on this turn right here, so I'm just kind of trying to not make there be any banks, really. So then we're going like this, and honestly, we might have to go somewhere else. Like, we can turn right here a little. And then we're just gonna do another turn about here. And I guess we can just go back. Or we could go this way. There we go. That's definitely something I'm gonna do. And yeah, I might have to add some more props or something, so you're not just going through a bunch of trees and stuff, if you guys know what I mean. And then right here is the chain lift. So let's just go up if I can. There. Alright. And we're going through this tree, but it's fine, I'll delete it afterwards. And then, yeah, we're here in the chain lift. And then I don't really know what's next. We could turn like this. And honestly, we could go back to the station from this point. I feel like that's definitely what we're doing. So now we have some uses for having this like campsite thing over there. So this is basically what this ride is for. So let's just go down like that. And I guess that's it, really. We don't have much to do. So, yeah. We could make a start on the other ride, though. So, alright. Well, alright. And we're done. That is the ride. As you guys can see, it's fairly long. I'll make the station and stuff later. So, yeah, I guess let's just start making this ride. I'm going to need water rides. I guess a splash boat we can use. Okay. Alright. I'm going to make it start like right here, though. And the station will be about that long. And then we're going to go up. Just like that. And now we're going literally so high. What the heck? Alright, that's insane. I don't know why, but I can't use... Oh, that's why, maybe. I don't know how to use it in the advanced editor. Actually, if I'm not lying, I don't even know how. So now, that's it. Alright. Honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna... You know what, we might not even do the splash boat idea. I might end up doing like a log ride. You know, that's what we're gonna do. Also, I want to start more by where the roller coaster is. I'm gonna have another mountain. It's just gonna be way different than the one I built, the first one I built. So let's just go all the way down here, and actually, why am I doing this? I could just delete it like this. Alright. So, we're gonna at least go like here. Alright. So, yeah. Let's go out a little. Alright, I'm going to start it a little closer. And we're going to go back to water rides. And, alright, let's look at this now. That seems fine to me. And then, actually, I'm going to go back and build some more station pieces. And now we can go up like this. There we go. And now we can go up. Ooh, wait, though. Alright, we're going to have to go even more back. This is more complicated than I was thinking. Yeah. I want to get a start on it, though, so that's just what I'm going to do. I'm just going to get a start on it. So, Yeah, we gotta go back. And now I'm just placing down these. And then I'm gonna go back and remove some. So hopefully now we'll have enough room to go higher. So I'd say that's fine. And now we're gonna start going up. Just like this. I can't believe we've literally spent so much money on this park. Like, it's insane. Alright, honestly, this seems fine. So then we'll continue this in the next video. This is basically what it's going to do. It's going to go up, down, probably up again. I don't know, but yeah, that seems like enough in today's video, but let's just test the ride we built. Okay, that's a really long train. Oh my. Well, it's fine. I mean, more the better, I guess. So let's get front row seating, and let's go up in the chain lift. This is looking pretty nice, honestly. We have the big blue coaster beside us, and now we're going down into the little drop. Honestly, it's not too fast. Oh, wait. It's catching up some speed, and now we're going back down, and you can see all the things. Honestly, that chain lift is kind of useless. Wow. That was a lot of speed, though. Alright, and now we're going back down, and we're going into the brakes. Now the brakes really help. Alright, honestly, I like it. It seems really nice. So, obviously the log ride we will finish in the next video. I got a lot of work to do. I have to make the station stuff. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and put on the post notifications so you never miss a single video. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.